Hello guys, welcome to the Work It Up Garrett. My name is Tabo. In this channel we'll talk about ways to make money full-time and part-time online. In this video I'll be talking about how to draw support and resistance and how actually to make money when it comes to the support and resistance. And also I'll be going over what we did on Sunday Live and all the trades that went through, and then which were all positive and all made money. And I hope you also were able to make money from the signals that I did on the live on Sunday. So yeah, so today I'll be just going over them and also just showing you how you can do support and resistance and how you can make money and how I actually use it myself to make money online. All right, so after the intro I'll show you everything. Let's go.
So welcome guys. So I'll be talking about support and resistance. So it's a very good topic. So if you're a beginner, you can be able to understand this. So a support is basically like your floor where the market sits before it decides to move up. And then your resistance is like your ceiling where your market will not rise above. So it will go there and decide to go down. Okay. So here's your support, for example. So your market went and sat, and then it went up. So wherever it will turn and stop, that will be your resistance. So if it turns here, then this is your resistance. Okay, it turned, as you can see, and it goes down. So you have support and resistance. Okay. All right. So if it sits here again, this will now turn into, your support. If it sits here and goes up. So as you can see, it went up and then it's sat here. Okay. So wherever it sits, it's your support. So if it came back here, it will still be your support, this. But your support has changed. So it can change over time. So it goes up to your resistance to a high level where it decides to stop your ceiling, and then it falls down. Okay. When it falls down and decides to move here, then we call this your new support. Okay, this will still be your resistance because it hasn't gone above this. So, and then it will move up again. So support and resistance will change over time. Okay, I'll show you what I mean about that. So if we have something like this, so this is your market, it moves up there. Okay, so this is your ceiling. Okay, so it will be your resistance where I'm sitting there. Okay, so as long as so this is your resistance, support. Okay, so as long as the market hasn't moved above, this is still your resistance. So if the market does this, we still have resistance and support. But if it decides to break your resistance like this, it breaks, then this new level will change into support. So this will now be your support. So this will be, it will come down here on the previous one. And then remember I said your resistance is like your ceiling where the market doesn't go above. So this will now be your new resistance. Okay. So resistance, support. Okay, as long as it still stays here, we still have resistance support. But if it breaks again, this will be your new support. This will be your new resistance. So it'll go there. Okay, excuse that line. So it'll go there. So this will now be your new resistance. And then where it came down, it'll be your support. Previous resistance turns to support when you're going up. Okay, so this will, and then it'll do this. Okay, this is what happens on the uptrend. So downtrend, same thing. So your market will move. So your market will move down. And then if it goes up, we know this is your support. That's where the market sits, and then resistance. So as you go down, your support will turn to resistance. Okay, so it's the other way around. When you're going up, your resistance turns into support. So this will go here. So this will be your new support. That's where the market bounces, and then your new resistance we're expecting to come here. So we know it'll do this, and so on. Okay. So this will be the same thing if the market is just consolidating, same thing. So as long as we're still moving here, we know support and resistance. This is called a consolidating market. So resistance stays, doesn't change, and support stays, doesn't change. That's a basic concept. So yeah, let's go over to see on the actual market what I mean. So if you take a look at this, okay, your support levels are where the market bounced. Okay, so as you can see, it sat here, so it came from there. You can see that level. So it actually went here, and then this is obviously now your resistance, the top, your resistance, and your support. So as long as it hasn't moved above here, this will still be resistant. But if it goes up and breaks it, then you know we have a new support. So this will go there. As you can see, it broke and it sat. Remember I said, so now we have a new resistance over here. So it went above, so now resistance turns into support, just like I said. So this will be there, and then this will be our new resistance. Okay. Okay, again, we wait for it. If it goes up, we know the market turns there. So now we have a new resistance on top here, and then the support. This is our new support. So as you can see, resistance turn into support, and then this is our new resistance. If it goes above, we know this will be now our support. So the market sits here. So as you can see, the market was changing direction. So as you can see, that's why it's not sitting exactly on the support. So this was an uptrend going up, down, down, down. So it failed to break up. So decided to go below. Okay. So we know now we are moving below. Okay. So now this will turn into, let me put this here. Now we have a new support. Okay, this level changes into resistance. Okay, so even though the market didn't move, it was just an aggressive move, so that's why it went right down. Okay, so it went down. Okay, and then it'll go up again. Okay, so whenever it goes up, we have our new resistance here. So first support, and then resistance here. So support, resistance. If it breaks here, then we know it goes down. When it comes back, it actually did a bit of it here. It went and does this, but we know now it's a downtrend because it's breaking the supports. Okay, here it was breaking the resistance, so we know it's going up. So that's it. So that's how you basically understand support and resistance and how to trade it. Okay. So let's go over the charts from last week. So guys, here's one of the trades I did last week. If you can remember from that YouTube live. So I did say we're expecting the market to change at the zone somewhere here. Okay, so as you can see, it popped up from going down. So I said on Sunday, you can start selling. I even still have it here, sell opportunities as market opens, or wait for this this position. Okay, so I think I said you should enter somewhere here. Okay, so you go down, so it would have made profit there, and then it decided to move up. Okay, so as I said, that you just waiting for it to either go up there or down. Okay, so it's given us where it's going. So as you can see, the supports that I was talking about. Okay, if I draw a support here, this is where the market bounced, and then where the market came. Okay, so you can see this is your support. So support, resistance. Okay, so as soon as it goes above, and then it'll start doing that. Okay, so if you see something like that, so we know this is going like there. So the market doesn't just move up like what we want, obviously. So we went above. Okay. All right. So we expect, so it broke below. So it went just a little bit above below. The reason for that is obviously because the market was still in an uptrend. Okay. So it's still up, up. So if you bought here, obviously you still be holding. Okay, and then all you do, you just wait for the market to sit. So here it didn't sit, so obviously you don't buy, you just wait for an opportunity. If it sat here, then you buy upward. Okay, but you obviously would wait for it to settle down first. That's why obviously you waited for it here, okay, to settle down and then go up. Okay, so as much as this is your resistance, okay, just wait for it to settle. You don't just immediately buy resistance. Depending on the markets, especially like this one is aggressive. So you'd wait a bit and then go up. Okay, so that's it's a very pretty good one. So let's look at another one. So this is basically what happened. I said it will likely go down, so you can buy if it starts you're seeing moves that are going up. The reason I said that because this was your resistance, and then this was now your support. So if I do this, so this was your support. So I was expecting the market to, and it had already sit here once. So I was saying if you see a move already bouncing and deciding to go, you can go in. Even if, just make sure your stop loss is somewhere here. Okay, other than that, if it breaks through, you sell. So that's what it did. And then from here, I said it should bounce at this area here, because obviously this is still your support. It won't go right to the support that is below. So it went and bounced here, and then it's going up to there. Okay, so that's what I've been seeing. So it wants to go up, and then it wants to shoot up. Okay, so if you already did buy here, like this area, you know you would have made money. Let's see how many pips. Maybe you would have made 102 pips. Okay, so by the looks of it, it's still moving upwards. Okay, it's just obviously waiting to move. It's just waiting to do its move. Okay, but we'll have to wait and see about that. Yeah, I'll probably be doing a live on Sunday just to break down what's gonna happen. Okay, but I'm just seeing this as uptrend for now. So as you can see with gold, we did the analysis last week. Yeah, so I did say it'll decide to go below and carry on down. So as you can see, it's been consolidating the whole week. Okay, I still see it wanting to push up and down. Okay, but we'll have to wait for that and see what it does. So when it normally consolidates like this, it's just wanting to change price. So normally it would have gone right here. So we'll just have to see what gold does. But my basis is still it should move up before it goes down. So, but if you did enter anyway, you'll still be on little profit if you just took it up a little bit. And yeah, but yeah, just wait for that and see. Okay, I'll continued doing the analysis on Sunday. Yeah, so I think most of our trades went in the correct direction. Yeah, so we should be okay. Okay, so you should have made money if you actually did what I showed you. Okay, so it's not hard at all. Okay, so we're basically gonna just wait for that and see what moves happen here. Yeah. So yeah, same thing that we did here. So again here we still use our support and resistance. Okay, if you look at this, the support, resistance, support, resistance, support. It didn't go, so it went down. So that's why I said it's going down. So now this is it's support, resistance. Okay, but it could go, as I said, it could obviously go there because it's shot down quite a bit, so it may just go there and go down. Okay, so I hope you're able to learn that.
So yeah, guys, this is how we actually profited this week, and I hope you did make a lot of money, and I know my students made a lot of money. And so guys, just make sure you do understand this, and if you do have any questions, you can leave them on the comment section below. I'll be able to answer you any question if you do have trouble with this, whether it's support, resistance, and ask me how. So guys, that is how we actually make money using support resistance, and how we actually did it over time. So this is a basic, simple method, or basics for beginners to understand what Forex is all about and how to actually make money using this. All right. So I will try to do a live on Sunday or Monday, just to give you a lookout on what to expect in the market. Right, so I hope you did enjoy the video, guys, and I hope you did get value. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to press the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.